How to fix USB device not recognized error on Windows 10. Here are some tips that would help you fix USB device not recognized error on Windows 10. 1. Check if there are any available updates for the drivers via the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 2. Disable the allow the computer to turn off this device to save power option for your USB root hub device. 3. Disable USB selective suspend in power options. 4. Temporarily remove then reinsert your device. 5. Reboot your Windows 10, and keep it up to date.